Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel Developer Duraid. In this video I am going to show you how to deploy your Next.js or React apps for free using Vercel. So first you need to have your project ready, that you are going to deploy. In my case I am going to deploy my Next.js blogging app, which uses MongoDB as a database. Your project must be in your GitHub repo. If anyone wants a basic tutorial GitHub, please tell me in the comments. Now first go to Vercel.com. Then click on the Login button. Then click Continue with GitHub account. If you want to sign in from the Google account, then you need to connect your GitHub account later. GitHub might ask for permission from you. In my case I have already given the permission. If you are using Vercel for the first time, then you don't see these projects. Just click on Add New and then click on Project. Import your GitHub repo where your project is located. I am not going to change the project name, but you can. If you have any .env variables, then you can put them here. I have many, so I am going to add them. So I have added my env variables. Now click on the Deploy button. This will take some time. If you are watching this video this far, then consider liking the video and subscribing the channel. If you have any questions or suggestion, please ask in the comments section below. When the deployment complete, you will be redirected to another page, and here you can see your app running. Just click on the front screen and now you can see your fully functional full-stack app deployed for free. You can share this URL to your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.